Hello programmers, today in this video I am show you how to download and install Arduino IDE software. First open your web browser, then search Arduino. Now go to this website. Now go to software category, then download. Now you can see Windows, Win, 7 never. If you have Mac, you can go to Mac, but I have Windows, then I'm click this Windows. Now click this just download. Now you can see in the bottom this software is downloading. After downloading, double click this setup this file. Now click agree, then click next, then you can install this software. Now I am open this Arduino software. You can see this is our Arduino software. In next video, I will show you how to blink LED using this Arduino IDE software. I think this video is very interesting and helpful for your programming life. If you like this video, press the like button to my video. If you want to get brand new videos quickly, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all option to get my brand new videos as a notification to your device. Follow me on my social media also. Okay, let's meet in brand new video in my YouTube channel.